Here's the early voting. Going to Cherie out of Mamasez. The big Flightline out of Proud Emma. Alright, try him.
JB, which one's that?
He's the one out of Proud Emma. Flightline Proud Emma going to Mott. Bought him in September with Vinny Viola. Going to Cherie. Early voting, Mamasez. Hmm? There's the Flightline Proud Emma. Yeah, he watching this horse just cruise around. Like, I mean,
good, real good.
Yep. Look at that eye too, man. Wow. See that white right there. Great. So, thank you, my friend. Thanks.
Flightline?
That's pretty exciting. It's got like tree trunks for legs too.
What's that one?
Here's the early voting. Mamasez. He's been on his toes. We got a lot going on here. A lot of cars, a lot of people. Yep, that's perfect. Thank you. Yep. Yep. So 2 early votings. That's the Mamasez early voting. Going to Cherie.
She was